oil change. This is 2007 Toyota RAV4 Limited. It's a V6 3.5 liter. The tools you need simply are those tools. You need, this is the socket size 64 millimeter. It says 4 cut, shaped like that. This is to open the oil filter, and this is ½ inch. So any ratchet ½ inch should fit here. Just like 14 millimeter to drain the oil from the oil pan bolt to hook up here. Okay. So when you go beneath the car, you can see the oil pan located over there, and that's where the to drain the oil from there. Very simple. You need also this stop leaking washer. So see, that's how you drain the oil. This is very bad old oil. Now, while waiting for the oil to be drained, this always, most of the cars says like the grade of the oil you want says a 5W30. Of course, you need the oil filter. Each car has a specific number for oil filter, but this one it comes with the like sealer rings, 2 of them like that, and then the oil filter, this one here. Okay, I always use this Castrol edge, and this is really super good oil. This piece is for the oil filter. You attach it onto the oil filter to let all the oil come out, and then once there's no oil, you can take this off and then attach this and then remove the oil filter. So this is where the oil filter located, just in front of the oil pan. That's the washer. It's holding the net, holding the, and then you need this to drain the oil from the oil filter. You stick it there and then you rotate, spin it, and until you see the oil. See the oil? It's coming out. Now it's time to remove the oil filter. Remove this piece of the plastic, small one, this one, which is why we drain the oil. Stick this one there. That's the old oil filter. We're simply going to remove this. You can see, maybe I think we need to wash this oil pan bolt to drain the oil. You see the copper washer or the gasket, leaking stop washer. It's already there and it's good shape. If it's missing or if it's bad, you can replace that one too. But this one looks good. Brand brake cleaner, brake and parts cleaner. This is one of the best. So all we need to do is spray. Okay. It's like, you know, because there's a lot of dirt there. So, and then just put it here one more time. Here's the rubber sealer. This is the ring sealer. You can replace this because it comes with the, see that? It comes with it. But this one looks good, so I don't know, maybe we should just keep it. You can see it's very good, very clean. Big screwdriver, pickle tool, like see, or you can just remove it, see. This is the old, other than that, see. So the other one, the small one, is for this one here. And let's clean it a little bit. See, let's take it out. Looks good, so also I'm gonna keep it. Just a little bit here and a little bit here. Ready to go. Castrol. If you want to remove this, there's a lock over there, but we just keep it. I don't see why we have to move it. We just need to push this one in all the way. Yeah, just like that. This one is ready to go. You don't need to tie it too much. Just hand tight. That's good. Yeah, it looks good. So. Extension ½ inch with a ratchet and tighten it up a little bit. That's good. Now we're going to put the drain bolt back in. Same thing, you don't need to tight this tight. Good hand tight, good, and it's good. So we'll see how it goes. We're going to have to check with the dipstick. Allah. I'm going to check. Let's check this. Of course, we have to start the car too. Like maximum, this point maximum, minimum. Start the engine for a few seconds. Okay, so let's see. It's hard to see now because the engine is fresh, brand new, and but if you look a little bit closer, you can see it's gonna be between those 2 points. So, right. So this is the bad oil, old oil we talking. We filled up this one. See, this one is full completely. That's 5 liter. We still have there more, about almost a liter here. We added 5 liter of oil. Now we're gonna add 1.6 more liter. 1 liter, 0.1. Check now, which is good, I think, about here. So just gonna add just tiny little bit more. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, I'm gonna start the car also, leave it for 1 minute, and come back and check. Also, we need to check beneath if there's any leak or anything. And if it looks good, you know, make sure no leaks in the bottom there. All done. Make sure always the oil must be at this point here, not above, but just about this point. That's the minimum and that's maximum. So we are about here, which is good. Thank you very much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time.